Ano nga bang pinagkaiba ng investigation at criminal investigation? Investigation, it comes from Latin word investigare, which means to trace or to track. Ibig sabihin nito, it's about carefully looking into something step by step para malaman ng katotohanan. For example, kung nawala yung cellphone mo at trinace mo ito kung saan mo ito huling naiwan, that's already an investigation. It can be legal or non-legal, depende sa purpose. Pero pag sinabi nating criminal investigation, mas specific na ito. It focuses on crime. It's about the process of carefully examining what really happened in a criminal act. Ang goal dito ay ma-discover ang truth, malaman kung sino ang responsable at ma-present ang evidence para mabigyan ng hustisya. So, to put it simply, investigation ay napaka-broad na term. It can be about anything. Pero pag sinabi natin criminal investigation, it's only about crimes like theft, murder, or fraud.